The infrared thermometer employs a convex lens to focus the light on the sensor, and then that sensor converts that light of infrared light into electrical signals, and then those are represented in the form of readings on the LCD, reflective LCD screen. So let's have a look of a typical infrared temperature meter and how to set and calibrate the thermometer. Seeing one infrared thermometer, this one. So we will be pressing this. There are three switches. You can see three switches. So by pressing this, it gets on. There is a display on the reflective touchscreen, and you need to press this and press to the target. See, temperature. So it is recommended to use in with this kind of machine at least by 6 inches, and it will show the temperature. So it's also happened that sometimes it was showing their high temperature alarm very frequently, even though the patient was not having that amount of temperature, but still it was showing that amount of temperature. So what we need to do is we need to press this button and then on button. Then we need to switch on this. So then it will show the Fahrenheit, whether you want to select it Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit. So this will give you options. So by pressing this and this button, you can scroll it to change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and also you can add a calibration adjustment, whether you want to increase the readings from the standard readings, means if you are getting some standard temperature, whether you want some additional like if you have corrected this machine, calibrated machine, if there is 97 degrees Celsius and this machine is showing 98 degrees Celsius, so you can add 1 or 2 degrees with the same. So there are buttons for the adjustment of the calibration of this machine. So once you have adjusted that machine, you set it, and then you take the temperature that frequently high temperature will go. Actually, it gives the alarm based on how we have set the thermometer. Depending on that, it gives the alarm.